Welcome to Sure Hajj by Sure Data Solutions rooming form. This form is nearly the same for both Umrah and Hajj. We'll go through this form now. First of all, how to reach the form. From the menu of Hajj or Umrah, whichever you are in, select the roaming button as the mouse indicates. The form is composed of the menu line as usual, and on this frame criteria to select from to show list of what you call homogeneous passengers, like all those talking the same language, having reservations for the same type of rooms and so on. It's the same package, females only, males only, the way you want. And this part will indicate or will contain a list of the passengers satisfying this criteria, and some totals are added here. This part is for room allocation. Let's do that now. Let's try to create some rooms and allocate some passengers to it. So first of all, we select the package. In Umrah, of course, you will not have package. You will have like Umrah group. And you have to select the hotel as well. Then I will say, let me get males and females both together for all languages, all room types. And I'll say show list. The list indicates the passengers. And as you can see, each application is same color. Like this person is alone in his application. This person is alone, but those two are on the same application, same for these two. If you click on any one of them, you will see details about the application. As you can see, there are 2 quads required, and none of them had a room yet. And this is the application name. Now let's create a room. Let's create, for example, quad rooms. First, you have to say new rooms. You have to click new rooms. And you say, for example, create for me 10 quad rooms. 10 rooms were successfully created, and here they are. And they are all quad. You can create, for example, double rooms. I'll say, for example, 2 double rooms create, and as you can see, the 2 are created, and you can see here there are 2 passengers while the others are 4, and so on. Now it's time to allocate passenger. All what you need is to select this one, and of course you select a room, then you select a passenger, join room, he joins the room, and you select the other passenger of the same application or any other passenger that you feel homogeneous within the same room. You join the room, and let's get this passenger on this room, join. As you can see, it's an easy work, and I'll get those 2 together joining the same room like here. See, you can, using the shift button, you can select multi, and here you say you click multi-join room. Any one of those you may select to leave the room just by clicking here and click leave room. He will return back to where it belongs. He belongs. So now let's get another one instead, like this person. Now the rooms are there. Okay, now we have seen the use of these buttons. Now you can stop on any room and just clear it completely, so these 3 passengers will return back to where they belong. You can delete a room completely, like stop on that room and delete the room, the whole line will be taken out. You can search for a passenger. I suppose that this list is full of persons, and it could be hard to find or locate a passenger. So here where you need this option, where you say, for example, search for me Dawla, and the first name and search. You can ask to search in this place in the rooms, or in here, the list of passengers who are not yet allocated to rooms. So you say search, the passenger is displayed. So you can, in the room, so you can now select, for example, find an application, and here are the list of applications which deal with this package. And you can say, for example, find me this application, search, and you get all the passengers belonging to this application. You will find them one after one here. They will be all marked for you here. Validate application is a way to check each application, what is the total required for, and what is the already allocated rooms. As you can see, what we allocated are showing here. You can close this, and suppose now we filled up these rooms completely, and we need to see some, or you can enter through actual rooms numbers. You can assign the room number itself. So you can enter the room number here. You can enter room number 700, 702, and so on, the real actual rooms. And you can also see rooming reports. Like this is a flat report where it shows for every room the inhabitants in one line. Rooming summary, here is summary per hotel. And you can see here rooming report where you get each room and who is assigned to it. Of course, this is always in context of what you are in now, this package and this hotel. This is a sample of one report for the rooming, and you can have, for example, other report like the flat report where you have the type of room and who is assigned to it, the list of passengers assigned to it. Of course, for each package, you will have a list. And of course, this report is mainly for this hotel, for this package. So for another hotel, you will have different title here, and you have a different list, of course. Rooming summary, it's only for that one, and we have 2 rooms allocated, 10 rooms, 2 rooms double, and 10 rooms quad. 2 of them are assigned. So the passengers for this program or this package have 2 double room passengers. None of them is assigned to room. And they have 10 quad rooming persons. 2 rooms of them are assigned. You can do more in that form, like you can add, for example, here you can, using some functionality here, you can add infant to the room where it does occupy a place, but it doesn't count in the list. That's all about the rooming. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching.